In this video, we'll be changing the cabin air filter on a 2009 Hyundai Elantra. Once you get the glove box open, inside here you're going to see some clips. There's a clip there, and there's a clip on the right side. To remove these clips, take yourself a screwdriver, put it on the back side of the clip. You're going to push that clip into the glove box. And as you do that, you should be able to reach in here and pop that clip right out. It's a little tricky, but you should be able to do that. There we go. That's one side. Do the same thing to this side. To pop that clip out, you got to push the glove box in a little bit, and then it should come right out. There we go. Should be enough room for you to get your hand in here and open up the filter compartment. Now on the right side of that case, you're going to see those two little fingers there. We're going to squeeze those fingers together, and that cover should come right out. So that's your cover right there. And these are the two fingers I was talking about. So you squeeze those together and then you pull it. So to get that cabin filter out, we'll reach up in there and try to get it out by hand. Sometimes you're going to need a screwdriver to get in there, somehow grab it and get it started to come out. And there we go. Once you do that, you can pretty much just grab it and slide it out. And wow, look at that filter. That is filthy. Wow. That is bad. Look how much dirt and tree stuff is in there. Leaves and twigs and whatever. If you really want to drop the glove box down and out of the way, right on the right side, just a little, what looks like a strut attached to the glove box, you're just going to pop that out. And then the glove box will fall all the way down. It's up to you. You can't get to it without doing that. So here's the new filter. You see what they look like when they're new. Go ahead and put that in there. This one has an airflow indicator on it. Arrows go down. You're going to take your cover, slide that piece in first, and then just push it on. Make sure it's locked in place. Put this little strut back in place. You're going to take your, I don't know what you call these, your pins. Work that back in place. Both sides in, just like they came out. That's all there is to replacing a cabin air filter on the Hyundai Elantra. Most of the older Elantras are all the same. I do mine, like I said, once a year. I would recommend you check your owner's manual, see what the suggestion is, and maybe follow that. As you can tell, those filters, they get pretty clogged up. They can cause strange odors in the cabin. They can cause low airflow, which can affect your defroster mode and defrosting the windshield and stuff in the wintertime if you're living in an area like I do in New England where we get ice and snow. You know, your defroster system or your air conditioning system will work at its optimal performance. It's always a good idea to replace those. They're not that expensive. You can do it on your own and save yourself a ton of money. I'll put a link in the description area down below to this air filter in case you're interested in that. If you could support the channel by subscribing and hitting the bell icon to be updated on new videos. Also, like and share our videos on your favorite social media site. Thank you for the support. God bless. Catch you all on the next one.